Getting bubble wrapped also, but bubble wrapping Aiden at first.
Aiden, maybe you want to put on your.
We also have water balloons being
It
loaded.
could scratch you and it will hurt.
Look at that jiggle. We're doing water balloons.
No, we're doing bubble wrap first.
Can I see you dab?
Good.
Let me see you dab. Oh, let me see you dab. Oh, that's not a dab. Aiden, you can't dab. Aiden can't dab. Wait, just roll and went like that.
Yeah, I know, but that didn't work because Aiden started untangling.
Okay, then.
All right, no, cheers.
Huh?
You don't.
No, I'm getting bubble wrap.
roll down the hill. Just hold it.
We're only doing half of this for Aiden and then half for.
I'm about to wrap myself. Watch me. You have to move when I'm doing this. Hey, Lane.
Bubble wrap.
Babble
Babble wrap. Babble wrap. Yeah. Babble wrap. Yeah. Babble
Do your
wrap.
whole body.
Y'all had a head start. Go, go, go.
Aiden, don't move.
And then y'all have to run down the line.
Wait, stop throwing.
Once you guys are wrapped, you have to run down to the fire line.
Really?
Yeah,
Which ones?
that fire line.
You only have to.
At the end of the driveway.
I keep dropping it because you guys are in the way.
Why you move?
Pick up the pace.
Aiden, stop moving.
Winner
Why you
gets
so close to her?
$100.
Yeah, y'all move. Yeah, we're supposed to use them. Yeah, we're almost done.
Yo, she has like 7 layers.
And we're done.
What?
How do I tear this? Haley, you're so slow.
No, you have to go. You have to go to the other part.
Okay, I was gonna tie it.
We have to go back.
Hold
Haley,
on.
go back. Go back.
You have to tie it.
Wait, there's a car. There's a car. Aiden, what? Aiden's like, I don't care. There's 3 cars. Haley,
I need my big daddy your puppy guard. Oh, they hurt.
no, no, girls.
Newgers will die.
Don't pop all the bubble wrap. I'm gonna fall on the floor later with that. Storm's like, yeah, the storm's over there. It's pointed at that side.
Who did that side?
Yeah, pointed at
Guys,
that
what
side.
happens when you squeeze through water balloons?
Alright, get up. We gotta take this inside before it starts blowing away.
Well, if
again.
it wasn't away, it just gives us a run. So, I'm down to go for a run. I mean, that lady's jump pumping. Why not?
Alright, can we get this in?
What lady jump? That lady is jump roping. What a weirdo.
Alright, let's get in.
Maybe we should get jump rope.
I know.
And who lose?
Yo!
Frank Wars!
Captain Hat!
She's gonna get you back. So it looks like it's like a line.
Brennan.
No, stop!
Brennan's hair is beautiful.
My mom will actually kill you! For what?
Oh, yeah.
We're putting in this on YouTube, and all the perverts are just gonna stare at you.
We should probably feel bad for Aiden.
Yeah. What?
He grabbed some shaving cream, threw it at me, and I did right next to him, and he went. Alright.
Get the armpits. We need to get the armpits.
Shut up!
Could somebody call the cops? Aiden, get in the bath. Get in the bath.
Look at the back.
Oh, my ear, bro. My other ear's already clogged, bro.
It's
not okay.
Okay, there's no way we're gonna be able to upload this.
What?
All four of us are way too cranky. Me, Haley,
Oh, we're
me.
using all this. How this burns?
I know.
It's like burns.
burning my skin. Can you like hurry up?
Let's just call this the bad episode.
I cannot get it to drain any faster.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.
In your neck. I mean, you can go chase.
Nope, I'm not.
Looks like she's not going at all. I mean, Chase ain't going at all then.
Yo, this is irritating my skin.
Yeah, it's irritating mine too.
That's why men's shaving cream is not for women.
Yeah. Oh, on your face. Thank you. Get out of my way. Wait, why is Ivy going in here with the full clothes?
I mean, what is she gonna do? That's how I went in there.